to Helen Chemistry channel. In this session we are going to discuss the topic theories of catalysis. So, for a chemical reaction to occur, the reactant ought to be activated to form the activated complex. The energy required for the reactant to reach the activated complex is called activation energy. Activation energy is lower. In the presence of a catalyst, more molecules take part in the reaction and rate of reaction also increases. Okay, there are two types: the intermediate compound formation theory, the adsorption theory. Okay, first one, the intermediate compound formation theory. The intermediate compound formation theory takes place in the homogeneous catalyst reactions. This is the reaction A plus B gives AB product. So, the activation energy of this reaction is too high. So, to solve this, you have to add catalyst to speed up the reaction. So, what is the role of catalyst? Catalyst is used to speed up the reaction. So, first we are adding C, it reacts with the A plus C. C is a catalyst, it forms a AC. This is the intermediate. This intermediate AC react with the B, we are getting AB product and C. Again the catalyst. Okay, first catalyst is added to the reactant and catalyst is removed. Okay, so second and third reaction has activation energy low. First reaction has activation energy high because the first energy does not have catalyst, but second and third equation has catalyst, because by addition of catalyst the activation energy is low. Next one, for example, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here benzene plus methyl chloride in presence of aluminum chloride catalyst, it forms C6H5CH3 plus HCl. Then action of catalyst. First CH3Cl reacts with AlCl3. We are getting the complex. This is intermediate. Activation energy of this reaction is very low. This intermediate react with the C6H5. 1H removed. So, we are getting C6H5CH3 and we are again getting the catalyst AlCl3 plus HCl. Next, adsorption theory. The Langmuir explained the action of catalyst in heterogeneous reactions. The reactant molecules absorbed on the catalytic surfaces. So, this is called contact catalysis. The adsorption theory also known as contact catalysis. Okay. Steps. Reactant molecule diffuses. The reactant molecules absorbed on the surface of catalyst. The product molecules are desorbed. The product diffuses away from the catalyst surface. Okay. First reactant molecule diffuses, then the reactant molecule absorbed on the surface catalyst, then formation of activation complex takes place, and that activation complex decomposed to give products. That product molecules desorbed from the catalyst surface, and the product diffused away from the catalyst surface. Then example, see the example, A plus B, this is the reactant, it forms the product C plus D. So, what is the first step? Reactant molecule diffusion. So, these are the reactant molecule, it get itself to diffuse on the catalytic surface, absorbed on the catalytic surface. So, A and B, the reactant absorbed on the catalytic surface. So, this is the catalyst surface. So, these are absorbed on the catalyst surface. Then both the reactant forms the activated complex. So, third step is the activated complex formed. Okay. First step is reactant molecule diffusion. Second, absorbed on the catalyst surface. Then the formation of activation. Then this activation complex desorbed, forming the product molecule C plus D. Okay. C plus D is the products. Then these are desorbed away from the catalyst surface, forms the products. Products diffuses away. Okay. First reactant molecule diffuses and absorption on the catalyst surface. Activation complex formed. then product molecules desorbed from the surface and products diffused away from the catalyst surface. For example, this is the nickel surface, this is the ethylene molecule. It first diffuses in the nickel surfaces. Next part absorbed on the catalyst surface. So CH. This pi bond breaks up, it forms the and it gets absorbed on the catalyst surface and it forms the activated complex like this. So and finally it forms the product and diffuses away from the catalyst surface. Thank you.